Okay, well, generally we treat between 10 and 15 days and to give yourself a break after treatments. You can treat yourself in the morning, which is a good time, or perfect time is in the evening, because during the night time your body recovers and self-heals better. Your body's not directing energy to your muscles for moving around, but can direct a lot of the energy into recovery. And again, drink plenty of water, organic vegetables, and try and avoid greasy food. Don't shine the lasers directly into your eyes. Keep the unit out of reach of children, because it's another really cool space Star Wars toy. So don't let children play with this. If you are sensitive to laser or light treatments, use low power levels for a short period of time. You can increase the power level gradually. Eventually, ideally, it would be good to try and aim for 1 to 2 times each day and 30 minutes for each treatment. Blow your nose before using the nasal units and keep the lasers clean. You clean using just a damp cloth. If you have a cardiovascular disease, please seek the advice of a registered medical professional. Don't use if you are pregnant, have cancer, hemorrhagic diseases, or a pacemaker. And do not run the unit while you're charging.